Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 30 how to download an IG story on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself, the Instagram application, as well as the repost IG stories application. So we can now go to the iPhone, click on Instagram. Make sure you're signed into the account. Go to your profile, go to the search box and search for computer, go to tags or accounts and see which account you are searching for. Computer science engineers, they have stories. We can either share to, copy the link, or we can go to the iPhone homepage, click on the repost application, and then go to the search box and search for computer engineers. Click on this, click on the story, download by clicking the right top corner. We can either repost to Instagram or we can click on close, go back to your iPhone homepage, go to photos, and now we have the IG story downloaded to our mobile phone. Go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now.